Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about one of the North Bengaluru's most anticipated luxury development, Lodha Sadahalli Garden Estate. Developed by the renowned Lodha Group, this expansive 70-acre lakeside community brings together elegant neoclassical architecture, 85% open green spaces, signature garden-like decks and spacious 3, 3.5 and 4 BHK residences. If you are looking for a luxury home that offers the perfect blend of nature, space, and modern living, then this project is definitely worth exploring. In this video, we will talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Lodha Sadahalli Garden Estate is an ultra-luxury gated community spread across an impressive 70 acres land parcel in North Bengaluru. And what immediately sets this project apart is its serene lakeside setting and timeless neoclassical architecture, giving it a premium estate-like feel rather than a typical apartment development. Every residence has been thoughtfully designed with spacious interiors, abundant natural light, excellent ventilation, and signature private garden style deck that seamlessly extend your living space outdoors. Another standout feature is the project's incredible 85% open green landscape. From tree-lined avenues and beautifully landscaped garden to open lawns and peaceful walking trails, every corner has been designed to create a calm, refreshing environment. Whether you are looking for a luxurious family home or a long-term investment in one of the Bengaluru's fastest growing region, Lodha Sadahalli Garden Estate offers a perfect blend of elegance, nature and exclusivity. Talking about the location, so one of the biggest advantages of this project is its location in North Bengaluru, a region that's witnessing rapid infrastructure growth and strong demand for premium residential development. The project enjoys excellent connectivity to Kempegowda International Airport, major highways, IT and business hubs, reputed school, hospitals, and upcoming infrastructure projects. So while you get to enjoy a peaceful lakeside lifestyle, you are never too far from the city's important commercial and social destination. Whether it's the airport, international school, leading hospitals, shopping destinations, or major business park, everything is conveniently accessible from here. Now let's move on to the lifestyle amenities. So Lodha Sadahalli Garden Estate has been designed for people who want much more than just a home. It's a community where luxury and nature come together beautifully. Residents will have access to a grand 2-acre clubhouse packed with premium recreational and wellness facilities. You also get a beautiful lakeside promenade, a swimming pool, a fully equipped gym, landscape garden, an open air amphitheater, BBQ and outdoor dining spaces, and even a dedicated kitchen garden. Every amenity has been beautifully planned to create a vibrant yet peaceful lifestyle where residents can relax, stay active, and spend quality time with family. Now coming to the apartment configuration and pricing, so the project offers multiple luxury configuration to suit different family sizes. The 3 BHK residences come with the carpet areas ranging from approximately 1,550 to 1,650 square feet and sellable areas between 2,385 to 2,540 square feet with the prices starting from 3.10 crore rupees onwards. The 3.5 BHK homes offer carpet areas of around 1,750 to 1,850 square feet with the prices starting from 3.51 crore rupees onwards. And if you are looking for even more space, the 4 BHK residences offer carpet areas between 2,550 to 2,650 square feet with the prices starting from 5.12 crore rupees onwards. Every apartment has been designed to offer spacious interiors, seamless indoor-outdoor living, and maximum privacy. And now let's discuss the investment potential. So North Bengaluru continues to be one of the strongest real estate market in the city. With the rapid expansion of Kempegowda International Airport, growing business hubs, major infrastructure projects, and increasing demand for premium homes, this region continues to attract both home buyers and investors. Whether you're planning to buy your dream home or looking for a premium long-term investment, this project offers an excellent combination of luxury, exclusivity, and future appreciation. For brochure, latest pricing detail, payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.